So welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today we are doing a pop-up card. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's get started. Let's see what the materials you need. Color paper, scissors, glue, rubber band. If you don't have cardstocks, you can use old book covers. It is a thing that you can find at home. So this is the template. It is 21 to 18 centimeters. After marking, you will get something like this. Now cut out the excess part. Now cut out the portions as shown. Now score each and every line so that it's easier to fold. Now fold it into a small triangle like this. You need two like this to form one cube and stick it together like this. Now to cover the background, I am using color paper. I have already cut out into that shape. Trim off the excess. Now take a rubber band and cut it. Now poke a hole in the middle of the two templates and tie it together. Tie two knots so that it's secure. Now stick both sides like this and put some heavy weight on that so that it sticks. Keep it aside and let it dry. This is 21 into 15 centimeter paper. Mark 3.5 on each corner. Cut one side as so. Glue them together. The bottom part of the box is done. Now we'll do the top part. This is 24 into 15 centimeter. Mark 4 centimeter 8.5, again 4 centimeter 8.5, and left over will be the place to stick. Now glue the extra part to the first place, and it's done. Now put all your cubes like this inside the box. Please subscribe to my channel and check out the Instagram page link in the description box.